Alright, well, motor delays were too freaking long, so I asked Robert if I can keep that spare block for just a little bit longer. Got the Bolo de Humo adapter, T56 Magnum, tucked in beautifully. Freaking love it. So, what I love about this kit is the fact that I can use a standard push clutch from the FC or FB in a proper reservoir. So bleeding, it's not going to be a pain in the ass. This thing will be great. Phil, yeah, you probably see my breath. It's cold here. It's probably almost midnight, but there she is in her, I'm sure you can see the angle going on here a little bit, RX7 Glory. I shot this on my cell phone because I honestly don't have time to go grab the camera. But motor mounts are in, definitely scratch powder coat on both sides. The transmission is a beast. So I figured I'd try to get it all in one shot, which I did. It worked out really well. And my favorite thing is you make a bunch of measurements, and you know, sometimes things just line up so freaking perfect. Look at that. Now, that was planned out, I don't know how many ages ago, with the help of Roy, Amoris, of Bolo de Humo. Yeah, that's about as perfect gets. So now, I've got my cross member that I did here, and the original one from Tony, which is back here. So we'll see what comes up and lines up with right here. I'll go drop that in, install it for Phil. That way we can do driveline measurements, right? And so we'll do Toyota. It's going to be a 1350 conversion, carbon fiber, 3.75 inch or 3 1/4 inch, I forget. I think it's 3.25. So I'll get the drive shaft figured out. Then we do the exhaust, and we're going to try to stuff as much muffler under here as possible. So very, very exciting moment. I'm just amazed at the fact that lined up perfectly. So I'll take it. That's a win. I gotta have more of these wins from now on. But there she is. Time to send it, baby.